Kota Factory is an 2019 Indian Hindi language web series created by Saurabh Khanna and directed by Raghav Subbu for the viral fever. The story is set in Kota, which is a hub for many coaching centers where students come from all over India to prepare for various entrance exams. The show follows the life of 16-year-old Vaibhav who moves to Kota from Itarsi. It shows the life of students in the city and Vaibhav's efforts to get into it. It also stars Jitendra Kumar, Ahsaas Channa, Khan and Ranjan Raj in prominent roles. The series feature musical score and a soundtrack album composed by Karthik and Simran Hora, with an additional soundtrack composed and produced by Ankur Tewari and the Ghalat family band. The cinematography for the series were handled by Jerin Paul and was edited by Gourav Gopal Jha. It was shot in color and graded into monochrome later on post-production, thus becoming the first black and white web series in India. Saurabh Khanna, the creator of the show, says that through Kota Factory he aims to change the perspective about Kota and IELTS preparation, which he feels has always been one-sided, emphasizing on the trauma that education brings in a student's life. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.